Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video of 360 Quick House. Once again, I welcome Gautam Satish and Siddharth Suresh into this show. Welcome.
Hello everyone.
Hey everybody.
It's match 52. It is gonna be a nail-biting encounter between Royal Challengers Bangalore versus Sunrisers Hyderabad. Both these teams would like to be in the top. Now, let us see the players to watch out for in tonight. Starting with DDP. Gautam, what is your take on Devdutt Padikkal?
Yeah, he's one of my favorite youngsters going around. He's been very impressive this year as he has lived up to his expectations. We have seen him in the domestic circuit. He's been able to replicate that here. And he's also scored the most runs by an uncapped player. He's topping that list. He scored more than 400 runs. And yes, he got a big one the other day against Mumbai. I would want him to continue further and get to that 3-figure mark as soon as possible. He's capable of that. And I hope he has a good game.
Next, we have Vridhiman Saha. Siddharth, what is your take on Saha?
Well, I'll start off by saying that it's not easy to replace Bairstow, and Saha did that beautifully in the last game. I think he was given an opportunity and he made full use of it. I think that's what good players do. When they're given the opportunity, they make use of it. They make sure that they're selected for the next game as well. So I think Saha, if he's not injured, we saw him with some sort of an injury in the last game. He wasn't on the field. So if he's not injured, I would be expecting him to play today and play well, because he'll be having that confidence from the last game and he'll be inspired.
Next, we have Siddharth's battle to watch out for, and that is once again Captain Fearless taking on Rashid Khan. Siddharth, what is your take on this interesting battle?
Yeah, well, a particular reason that this battle becomes even more important to watch out for is because of RCB's struggles in the middle over. I think they have the least run rate in the tournament, as far as I know, and through the middle overs they've been struggling. And that's where, if they have lost their games, I think that's where they have lost it. Because when they're batting first, they slow down so much that it becomes difficult to accelerate towards the end. So it will be in that middle overs that Rashid Khan will come into play and Virat Kohli will be backing. So that added pressure will be there to score extra runs. So it'll be interesting to watch out for if Kohli goes on an aggressive note, or will he just stay back and watch out Rashid Khan's overs.
And next, we have Gautam's battle to watch out for, and that is Mohammad Siraj taking on the captain of the Orange Army, David Warner. Gautam, what is your take on this battle?
Yeah, it is going to be one of the battles to watch out for. The young Siraj taking on the dangerous Warner. I think they both should be knowing a couple of things about each other. They've played for the same franchise for a season or so. So speaking of Warner, he has been brilliant. Even in the previous game, very proactive, aggressive, and he got his team off to a flying start. He'll be wanting to do that tonight as well. And Siraj, on the other hand, has had his shares of ups and downs in this tournament. There have been games where he has scored beautifully, and there have been games where he has gone for runs as well. So yes, he'll have a good challenge tonight against Warner, especially in Sharjah. So I'm very much looking forward to this battle.
And here we have the points table. Sunrisers Hyderabad at the 7th position with 10 points, and Royal Challengers Bangalore at the 2nd position with 14 points. And now it's time to make the prediction. Gautam, which team are you going to back?
No-brainer tonight, RCB for the win. I'm going for RCB.
Siddharth, which team are you going to back?
Well, I'm wearing red and I was supposed to go for RCB, but I've changed my mind. I thought I'll go against Gautam's prediction. So
Good, good.
I'll switch to the shade of orange. Hopefully Warner can get off to an aggressive start like the last few games and take Hyderabad over the line. But inside me, I'm secretly hoping RCB still win.
Yeah, I get that.
Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much. So let's see whose prediction is going to be right today. So thank you. Bye.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, guys. Cheers.